Is the universe quantized? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is something that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for a long time. Is the universe quantized? The idea of quantization suggests that everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest objects, is made up of discrete units, or quanta. If the universe is quantized, it would fundamentally change our understanding of the world around us. To start with, let's define what we mean by quantization. In physics, quantization refers to the process of breaking down a continuous system into small, discrete parts. This can be seen in the way that particles are believed to exist on a quantum level. They are made up of tiny packets of energy known as quanta. The theory of quantization is most famously associated with quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles on a very small scale. In this theory, particles are described not as solid objects, but as collections of wave-like patterns. This means that the position, momentum and other properties of particles cannot be known for certain, but only approximated through probabilities. One of the most significant indications that the universe might be quantized comes from the way that energy behaves in the quantum world. In classical physics, energy is thought to be continuous and can take on any value. But in quantum mechanics, energy levels are limited to specific values, or quanta. This phenomenon is known as quantization of energy. Another area where quantization seems to come into play is in the structure of matter itself. Protons, neutrons and electrons, the building blocks of the universe, all have distinct, quantized properties. For example, electrons can only exist in certain shells around an atom, and every element has a different set of energy levels associated with those shells. This suggests that matter is made up of quantized particles. But despite these indications, there is still no consensus on whether the universe is truly quantized. Some physicists argue that our current understanding of quantum mechanics only applies to the atomic and subatomic level, and that there is no evidence to suggest that the same principles hold true on a larger scale. Others argue that the universe must be quantized, as this would provide a logical explanation for some of the most perplexing mysteries in physics. For example, black holes are objects of such immense density that they warp the very fabric of space and time. If the universe is quantized, then it could mean that the fabric of spacetime breaks down at the event horizon of a black hole, preventing anything from escaping its gravitational pull. So, what's the verdict? Is the universe quantized? Well, the answer is that we simply don't know for sure. There is evidence to support both sides of the argument, and the nature of the universe is still one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of science. However, what we do know is that the concept of quantization has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It has allowed us to make sense of the bizarre and seemingly incomprehensible behavior of subatomic particles, and has paved the way for many of the technological advancements of the modern age. In conclusion, while we cannot definitively say whether the universe is quantized or not, the theory of quantization has been a transformative force in the sciences. It has brought us closer to understanding the fundamental nature of the universe and has posed some of the most mind-boggling questions that we may never fully answer. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating scientific content. Thanks for watching.